Hello guys, good morning. Welcome to another video. We are here in farm country, yes, on our little homestead. And today, look what we're doing. We are preparing for winter. Yes, it's summer, but you have to prepare for winter in advance. So my husband and I is preparing this area because we're gonna get a big bale of straw from our neighbor who is a farmer, and we are preparing for winter, so we have straw for for our chickens, and we don't have to worry about buying the expensive straw at the store because it just doesn't last long. Like 1 cubic meter of straw, it's like $11 to $12, and that doesn't last long enough, so we need a big bale. So we are investing in a big bale. What we're doing is we put pallets down. I'll show you guys the pallets. And that's for some of you who wants to know, because you have chickens and you want to know about that. I'm always making you guys videos so you can learn. So you put the pallet down, and then this is the tarp, and you're gonna put the tarp on top of it, and then the hay bale is gonna come there. So we're gonna wait for him to bring it for us. He's such a kind neighbor. He's gonna come with his big tractor, and then you guys can see how we put it. And because I know a lot of you out there and you want to homestead and you want to do all that stuff and you like to see all that kind of stuff, and you guys asking for all kind of videos, so here is it, guys. This is how we gonna be storing our straw for the winter. All right, that's amazing. You good? Hold it from there. And there is our straw, completely covered. And we're gonna put another pallet at the top of it. Yoo-hoo! Okay, y'all, I'm gonna show you my lovely sunflower. Look at how tall she is. Oh my goodness, she is so tall. And she has one flower on her. Amazing stuff when you're gardening. Okay, so let me go back over there and show you all our bale of hay. And we had to do some fixing up of it because we realized that the top was too short, so we had to put another top on top of it so it would stay properly. So we kind of have to so this is what we did. We used this old pallet, so that's going to be the entrance. That's going to be the entrance to get the straw out when you're going to put it in the coop for the chicken, because they have to be an opening so you can get straw. And then everywhere else has to be covered and watertight, because straw tends to draw moisture, and if this straw get wet, it's gonna get moldy, and it's just gonna be a waste of money. So guys, when you're buying straw, make sure it's in a dry place. Make sure the top that you cover it in is airtight. And when you cover the tarp, make sure you don't put it too tight, so that there's a little bit of room in there so that the straw can breathe. And as you can see, our neighbor delivered it for us, put it on and everything. And I show you before, we have pallets under so that air can come from the bottom. The other reason why you want to put pallets down and you want to put the tarp field mice love to go and make nests in the winter time. They want somewhere dry and nice to go live and make their babies. So field mice is another thing, because if you don't protect your hay or your straw, if you don't protect your straw, you'll have loads of field mice living in there. And you don't want the field mice population to increase more than they already are. So that's a good thing. Last year I learned the hard way. I had put up some I left my furniture outside and I forget to take the cushions and stuff out, and field mice, they dug inside of the cushions, so inside of the foam, and they made nests in there, and they had babies in there. Actually, when I pulled the thing out for spring, they were in there with the babies. I felt so bad, but I needed to clean the stuff out. So yeah, that's what it is. So we are very, very happy about that. So now my chickens, they will have lots of straw, endless amount of straw, and I don't have to buy this expensive straw that I've been buying, and they'll be very happy. So I'm going to be cleaning out the chicken coop and using the using what's in the coop, the manure for my garden. So I'm going to prepare my garden with all this beautiful manure that is inside the coop and in the yard, because there's a lot of straw in the yard also. And that's going to be going on my greenhouse bed. When summer is over, I'm going to use this manure to prepare all my beds. And there's lots of manure in there, guys, loads. And I'm going to do a video when I'm cleaning that out and when I am putting new straw in there. I'll do a video for you guys to show you all, because you know this channel is all about learning and teaching and showing you guys what to do, because I know a lot of you want to have homestead, and people who already have homestead, when we show you all those things, it gives you, you know, ideas and how to go about if you going to start your own homestead. So I'm going to end the video here. I'm just going to show you guys the next task that we are going to be doing today, and that is going to be wood. I have another video where we did a whole bunch of wood already, and I'm going to post that soon. But the next task is all this wood we have here that was already cut up. So we cut this wood up, and now we got to get the machine to split them. And after that, we have to move on to these piles of wood that we have here. But like I said, you all, it's a work in progress, and you have to start preparing for winter, you know, months before winter actually get there. So that's what we are doing. And so I'm going to go inside the barn. I hope you guys can see me, but if you look here, this is our wood pile. Neatly packed. Can you guys see? It's almost past the door. And on the floor here, we still have a lot more to be stacked. And we're going to be doing this later on, hopefully, because it's warm today and inside the barn is hot, guys. So I don't know if we're going to get to finish all the stacking, but yeah, that's what we're going to be doing. Look at all this wood. Amazing stuff. So once the wood get up to the top there, this part here we don't stack anymore because it's right up to the door, and we're gonna start stacking from this end all the way across. And this is the rest of the wood that we already cut. We didn't want them to get wet, so we put them here, and it's gonna be stacked over there. And as you can see, we have pallets at the bottom of our wood so that they get good ventilation in the winter. And next, we're gonna move here to this big old pile. Into this pile. Y'all, thanks for watching. I really appreciate you guys coming and watching what I post on my channel. Thank you for all the people who subscribe, and even for those who don't subscribe but they keep watching. Thanks for supporting me. And guys, remember that you're beautiful. You can do a lot of things if you put your mind to it. So just keep a positive attitude and ciao, ciao. I will see you in the next video.